Alright guys, so I am going to be cutting my hair. I'm gonna mount the camera right there, Emma. Hey guys, welcome back to another day vlog. So I was going to continue one video, turned into a long vlog, so we are doing a new one now. That video should be up before this one, hopefully. So I gotta get a shower, got back from work. We're gonna turn our little robot on here and let him do his job. Oh my goodness, looks like we need to empty it first. So this robot is phenomenal. It does an amazing job. Every day, like, I don't understand. We clean our floors, and every day, now, if dog fur or anything grosses you guys out, then skip for the next 30 seconds in this video, because I'm going to show you how well this thing cleans. I do not understand where it comes from. You know, looking at our floor, I can sweep our floor and then let the robot run for a half a day, and it can pick up stuff that I don't understand where it gets it. So, look at all this. Every single time we run it, that's how much dust and dog fur we get. And I do not understand. Like I said, we will get that much even if I go and clean the floors up, because the robot is so low and it goes every little crack and corner of our room down here. So it's just, it blows my mind, really. This thing has been amazing to keep our floors clean. Okay, so it's gonna run. We'll see how long it lasts on this battery. I'm not sure if it was connected the whole way or not. So he'll go around and clean, and when he runs low on battery, he'll automatically come back to his charging station. But yeah, this thing has been well worth the price. Alright, so the only thing is, you want to make sure you don't have any cords hanging anywhere on the ground, on the floor. You don't want any covers laying down like we do here. So just a couple things that we pick up and clean off the floor, so it doesn't hit. You know, rugs are fine, carpet goes up over the carpet. I will remove our dog's water dish here because sometimes it can bump into it and splash a little bit. But besides that, there's a magnetic strip you can put down, but so it doesn't go over, like fall down here. But I just use a simple cardboard box to block it so it doesn't come down into our other room and fall down there. So now it just basically goes from our kitchen, living room to our dining room, and that's it. But yeah, I'll put a link in the video description if you're curious on this thing. Definitely worth it. Saves a lot of work, and like I said, it cleans. I don't understand, you know, how it can find stuff even after my wife and I clean. Looks like the trash guys are out here. Alright guys, on to the next clip. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. Yes, I want to see you. To see you high and lifted up and shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, holy, holy. Okay, so we are eating a mixture of some kind of slop. So I think there's, I don't know, zucchini or some kind of rice. I forget what my wife calls it. We also added some mozzarella, or not mozzarella, but Parmesan cheese in here. I think we're going to add our herb spice as well, wherever it may be. And we can't forget, we gotta take our vitamin C. Oh, looks like someone stole one of my videos. This happens way too often. People stealing my videos without asking me. Here I can show you, these are videos that people have stolen. In fact, there's 27 pages worth, if you can see down here, of people stealing my videos. Luckily, I've got all these removed from these people, but you know, I wish people would simply just ask instead of stealing something and thinking they're gonna get away with it, because that's 42 views this video got. That's my video. It's 100% my video. Alright guys, so I am going to be cutting my hair. So I don't know how the camera angle is going to work out, but I got it set up. So now let's find our clipper size here. And yeah, so okay. Man, I wish my hair wouldn't be so thick. So I need to decide how short I'm going to do it. So I've been doing my hair a certain way, leaving it longer up at the top and thin on the sides. I've been liking that pretty good. I am letting my beard grow out as well. Just curious, I've never let this grow out up in here. I've only done like kind of like this and up through here, so never like up over in here. Anyway, let's go ahead and start off at, I think I've been doing 12, so let's start off with that. Always get a shower. Anytime you get your hair cut, always get a shower. Oh my goodness. So we'll clean up our mess. So what I actually do is I have a towel here, and I'll close the towel together, and then I'll take it outside and then get all the hair off. Put the hair in a trash bag. Alright, I'm going to get a shower and then gel my hair and show you guys the final outcome. Okay, so this is my hair now, without gel or anything. So now I'm going to go put some gel in my hair. Okay, so this is what I look like with gel in my hair and it cut short. I'm still not sure about like up in here, you know, I don't know. I might shave that down like I used to. I don't know. What do you guys think? So should I keep, before, what I personally have always done and liked is the sideburns down, you know, all of this in here, sideburns going up, and then all of this keeping, all of that, so like right up in here. But I've shaved down lower, you know, more of a line. Now it's just kind of everything. I don't know. So what do you guys think? Should I shave everything down here and down here on the sides, or keep it as is and just grow it out and see what happens? So I definitely will look better once I lose some of this weight. You know, I do have a lot of weight, well, everywhere, but I'm working on losing it. So yeah. Wow. So let's see. It is 75 degrees in here. It's 92 degrees outside. Holy moly, guys. It is toasty. I'm gonna mount the camera right there, Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi. Hello, doggy. Oh, she looks cute.
No, she's not scared of it now. So, what's for dinner? Well, my wife brought home some, well, it looks like ham, egg, cheese. Not sure what that is. What is that?
What?
Bread? Like breadcrumbs or something?
Maybe hash browns.
Either way, it looks really good. So, free lunch. Is that good, Emma? Is that a good carrot? Alright guys, so just went down to visit my parents-in-law, and now same old routine. Probably gonna go up, do some stuff on the computer, then come down. My wife and I will watch our TV show, and the rest is history. See you guys next time.